You've been Googling this, haven't you? How many push-ups should I do a day to build muscle? And the internet gave you 17 different answers. One guy says 50, another says 100, some maniac says 1,000. Meanwhile, your chest still looks like a wet paper bag. Let me end this confusion right now, because the answer is not a number. It never was a number. And the fact that you've been chasing one is exactly why you're not growing. Here is the brutal truth about muscle growth. Your pecs, your triceps, your shoulders, they don't know how to count. There is no tiny scoreboard inside your chest that says,
"Okay, boys, we have 50. We're done for the day."
Your muscles only understand one language: tension. Specifically, mechanical tension and metabolic stress. And the only reps that actually trigger muscle growth are the last 3 to 5 reps before complete failure. We call them effective reps. When your arms are shaking uncontrollably, when your chest feels like it's on fire, when every single instinct in your body is screaming at you to stop, that is when the real work begins. Everything before that point, warm up. If you stop before it gets painful, you are doing cardio on your bedroom floor. That's it. That's all you're doing. And before we go further, I know what you're doing when you breathe. You're holding your breath the entire set, like you're trying to defuse a bomb. Rookie mistake. Here is the rule. As you lower yourself down, breathe in. As you push yourself up, breathe out. You control your breath. Your breath doesn't control you. Lock this in before anything else. Now, let's talk about the second biggest mistake, the daily grind mentality. I'm gonna do 100 push-ups every single day, no matter what. You sound motivated, you look committed, and you are destroying your gains. Here is the science. After you train your chest hard, your body needs 24 to 48 hours to rebuild those torn muscle fibers. That process is called muscle protein synthesis, and it only happens when you rest. You don't get bigger in your bedroom. You get bigger while you sleep. Train hard, eat protein, then get out of the way and let your body work. So here is your actual protocol. Stop counting reps. Start chasing failure. 3 to 4 sets per session. Every set goes to absolute failure, or 1 rep before it. If you can bust out more than 20 reps in a row, the push-up is too easy for you. You don't add more reps, you make the movement harder. Put your feet up on the couch. Decline push-ups hit your upper chest like a freight train. Slow down the tempo. 3 full seconds on the way down. 1 second hold at the bottom. Explosive drive on the way up. You just killed all the momentum. Now your muscles have to actually do the work, or load a heavy backpack and strap it on. No excuses about not having equipment. Your goal is to fail between 8 and 15 reps. That is the hypertrophy zone. That is where chests are built. And one more thing before I let you go. I see you avoiding push-ups because your wrists hurt or your shoulder clicks, so you skip the session entirely. Wrong move. Wrist pain usually means your hands are too narrow or your form is collapsing. Widen your grip slightly. Stack your wrists directly under your shoulders. Lock your core so your weight isn't dumping into your joints. Shoulder pain means your elbows are flaring out like chicken wings. Tuck them in at 45 degrees. Fix the form. Don't skip the work. You now have everything you need. Stop chasing a magic number. Chase failure instead. Control your breathing. Rest and recover like it's your second job. And the moment the push-up gets comfortable, make it harder. Now here's what I want from you. Drop down right now. 1 single set. Perfect form. 3 seconds down. Pause. Drive up. Go until you physically cannot push the floor away from you. Then drop your number in the comments. Let's see who's actually training and who's just watching fitness content all day. Get on the floor. Go!